are pleased to show you the 2021 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.